Are you the best omelet maker? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the top 5 best omelet makers. Whether you're looking for a simple omelet maker or a more advanced model, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list.
List 1. Lekway Omelette Maker. The Lekway Omelette Maker is the ideal gadget for advanced cooks who want to save time and effort in the kitchen. With just 3 easy steps, you can enjoy creating delicious omelets quickly without any worry of burning or sticking. The silicone Lekway Omelette Maker is durable and safe, with no grease or oil needed, making it a great tool for fat-free cooking. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and comes with reusable meal planning guide. Clean the omelet maker with a damp cloth or removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Omelette Maker is a highly durable and lightweight handheld device that makes delicious, healthy omelets in the microwave. Just beat eggs with milk, add ingredients to the mix, and cook for 5 minutes and enjoy freshly cooked scrambled eggs with your preferred toppings. This omelet maker is easy to operate and simple to clean, with just a quick rinse before use.
List 9. Progressive International Omelette Maker. The Prep Solutions by Progressive Microwave Omelette Maker allows you to make a quick, delicious snack or meal for your family in the microwave oven. The Omelette Maker by Progressive International is a quick and delicious alternative to cooking an omelette in the oven. Our Prep Solutions collection features innovative gadgets that will fit any lifestyle and budget at a great value. With its non-stick surface, this omelet maker cleans up with ease as you cook your favorite dishes like steak, veggies, or chicken. This omelet maker creates a quick and delicious omelet in just a few minutes. With no mess, cleanup is a breeze. And you can use this omelet maker to create delicious snacks or your next meal. Just add eggs and filling, place in the microwave, and soon enjoy a perfect omelet. This non-stick surface makes cleaning fast and easy. List 9. Microwave Omelette Maker. This silicone omelet maker is a non-stick, easy to clean and easy to use. This is made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free. The mold is made of odorless and non-toxic silicone. Use this durable silicone omelet maker to make an ideal-shaped omelet in the microwave. The non-stick material ensures that no mess is left behind, and it's easy to clean with a damp cloth. You can use it to make perfect-shaped omelet in microwave. Just put the egg liquid in the mold. You can add your favorite side dishes, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and you can get delicious eggs. Microwave Omelette Maker is both easy and delicious. This microwave omelet maker is great for making quick, delicious, and crispy omelets. Its silicone material is soft and durable. Laid-back design makes it portable and slim. You can make the omelet in 3 steps with just 1 flip. Obviously, it prevents dust and keeps food clean. List 10. Holstein Houseware's Non-Stick Omelette and Frittata Maker. The non-stick omelet and frittata maker makes it easy to cook any egg dish with ease. Just insert your ingredients, close the lid, and go. It's easy to clean, just wash in the dishwasher or use a soft, damp cloth. Perfect for eggs and omelets, this kitchen tool is built to last. It includes a on-off indicator light and preheated or ready-to-cook indicator light, ensuring a reliable cooking temperature every time. No more flipping mishaps or dirty fry pans. Just insert your ingredients and close the lid to start cooking at the optimal temperature with the preheated or ready-to-cook indicator light. Space-saving compact design takes up less of a footprint on your countertop and adds a lovely pop of color to your kitchen decor. List 5. KOXO 2-Pack Silicone Omelette Maker. The size of this microwave omelet maker is 9.56 inches times 7.8 inches times 1.7 inches. The silicone material of this microwave dish is food grade and high temperature resistant, which is safe to use in any microwave machine. Beautiful classic design and modern high-speed motor make the omelet easy to cook. Microwave omelet maker made of food-grade silicone, high temperature resistant, and very safe. The KXOX 2-Pack Silicone Omelette Maker is the perfect way to make your own fluffy and delicious omelets. No messy oil needed. The unique design lets you quickly flip the pan over after cooking to get that perfectly cooked omelet every time. Wash in the dishwasher or in hot water. Dry and use again and again, easily folding for compact storage. When used, you can stir eggs into the omelet, add desired side dishes, heat for 3 minutes,
And then remove. Gently fold to complete omelet.